Okay, today Ms. Gonzalez is going to demo how to duplicate an 18 FMX using the digital duplicator.
Alright, I'll open up my duplicator, place my original films down on the glass plate.
Making sure the name is facing up.
And that all the films are in the little pockets for your mount. And then I go ahead and I look at my film and I look for the little notch that's right there, upper right hand corner, which is salmon side down, which is the emulsion. I place that on top of my original film. Close the top. Lock it in place till it clicks.
And Ms. Gonzalez, before you get started on that, what makes this one different from the manual duplicator as far as
This has a digital timer. You can go ahead and set it. It's been preset to 12 seconds. If you need to increase it, we have an increase button, plus or negative. And then what's different about this one is that it has also a built-in safe light. All right. When I turn this on, we can see it in the dark. It'll show that it's at 12 seconds. If I turn it down, that means I'm using the safe light. And we will start the timer and it'll count down to 0.
And normally this would be done with the lights off, correct?
This would always be done in the darkroom environment using this safe light, the safe light that's built in, and it beeped. So this is our 12 seconds is up. Open the latch. Take your duplicating film out. You no longer need this. And you would come and process it into your automatic processor. We're going to use the AT2000. Doesn't matter which side you put in, but what matters is that you feed it in lengthwise.
For purposes, Ms. Gonzalez, just so the students can see, do you mind turning off the regular light so we can see the actual digital with the safe light on?
Yes.
Okay, so this is how the box would look with the safe light on. And then if you don't mind, Ms. Gonzalez, I don't know if you can see, but if you could also put the go ahead and expose it with the lid open, just so that we can see the color that it would be if it were...
I'm turning on the safe light, turning it off, that is, and starting my timer.
I'm gonna move it up one more.
It's at 12. Now you can readily see the 12, and I start it.
And you would see this really pretty blue color, and we could go ahead and move that off, just so we can see what it would look like. Okay, we're just demoing it like this so you could actually see what's happening when the lid is closed. Okay. The other part that I want to show you is that if we were just to move around the room here, one of the things that Ms. Gonzalez pointed out to me was notice the lights from the door down at the bottom, down here at the bottom and up around the windowsill. This is where we would do our light leak test. Anywhere that we would see light, we would take masking tape and walk over there and put a piece, and then we would turn the lights on, and then that's where we would need to adjust the lighting there. Okay? Again, thank you. This was demoing with a digital duplicator.